Hello, my name is Serge and this is LiveAlgarve Realty, and today we are in Upper Algarve, not far away from the town called Bensafrim, in a little town called Pincho. And what's so special about this place is the nature, the secludedness, the privacy, the authenticity of Portugal. And what we're going to see today is something really cool. It's a house behind me on a 40 hectares piece of land. Let's have a look-see. Alright, welcome inside. And this, as you can see, this place, despite the fact it was built in 1989, lacks for nothing. Due to the renovations in 2014, where the owners implemented things like central heating, air conditioning, double glazing, new roof, photovoltaic, you name it. There's so many things here that some of the new villas that is built today can envy. But it's not actually the selling point of this villa or the main attraction. And the main attraction will be the secludity, the privacy, and the countryside living here in Western Algarve, which is quite rare. So a bit of technical information. On this 40 hectares of land, we have the main structure of 440 square meters that was built in 1989 and renovated in 2014. We have a guest house, or a cottage, if you will, of 120 square meters, same birthday, and renovated 2014. On the land, we have 4 lakes, and next to one of these lakes, we have a lake house, which is seriously cool. And there is so much more. For example, like a blueberry farm, we have a pool, we have a jacuzzi, we have photovoltaics. This place does not stop in things that I can describe. So let's see some more. So here we are. Thank you for taking this tour with us. It's the end of November. It's 24 degrees outside. Sunshine is everywhere and it's absolutely amazing. And on that note, I would like to thank you. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and go to our website and inquire now to score your private visit to this lovely property. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.